How would you like to be able to repurpose images from your PDF file? When you export as IDML, you're able to use a great feature of PDFMarkz, and that is, it will extract the images from your PDF file. In order for this to work, you must correctly set your preferences. Let's look at how to do this. Doing a command comma will bring up the preferences for PDFMarkz. Once the preferences are open, click on the IDML tab in the Preferences pane. Make sure you've selected For All Images, and you can either turn on or off Link to Low Res. If you turn off Link to Low Res, if you open the IDML file in InDesign, Quark, or Affinity Publisher, you'll see blank boxes or question marks, so you won't have previews of the images. If you enable Link to Low Res, then you'll see images when you open the IDML and other apps like InDesign or Affinity Publisher. Let's open a PDF file. Now let's click on Export. Clicking on Export is going to bring up the Export dialog and select IDML file. You can leave all of the checkboxes unchecked because you're just trying to extract the images out of the file. Now click on Export. Clicking on Export is going to ask you for a destination where you'd like to save your IDML file. Once you've selected your destination, click on Export again to finish. Once the export is finished, you have a folder. Inside that folder is a subfolder named Low Res Previews, and in this folder you'll find all of the extracted images from your PDF file. If you look, some of the images may be large, some may be small. If your PDF was saved or created with press quality settings, and you used high-res images in your original document that was used to create the PDF, these extracted images will be high resolution as well. But remember that the PDF crops the images so you only see what is on the screen within the cropping area. In other words, you'll only see the images as they appear in the PDF. Using this procedure is how you can extract images out of your PDF using PDFMarkz. You can now use these images in other projects you may be working on.